Hi all, nice to see you again. Today, I would like to tell about the stress topic. Why stress happen? What are the reasons? How to overcome it? Everybody is being stressed by so many reasons in their life. Instead of being stressed, they are doing their jobs and all because of their families. So, what to do? We have to take care of our health physically and mentally. What are the reasons for the stress? At job place, at business, at families, for maintaining property, money, these all give stress. If you are able to manage, you don't have any problem. If you are not able to manage, then stress will be happening. What are the symptoms? Uncon- Uncomfortable, uneasiness, getting headache, feel gastritis, and increase the heart rate. These all are symptoms. If you take one criteria in these regions, for example, at job place, at job place mainly insecurity means fear of losing job. It gives stress. Doing long duties, hours, overtime due to lack of sleep, you will get stress. To give pressure to perform, to reach expected results, but no increasing job satisfaction. Increasing the stress decrease the performance. It leads to anxiety and depression. Finally, lack of sleep. It chronic. It goes to affect both mentally and physically. Who is the responsible? Who will take care of it? One of the study stating that 8 of 10 people being stressed in the US, United States. As a result of job, employees have experienced 41% anxiety, 24% depression, and 12% physical illness. Who will take care of it? We have to take care of ourselves. This is our health. This is our physically and mentally, emotionally. For example, if you ride our back more than it capacity, what will be happen? Definitely engine will be affected. Even engine also under being stressed. This is a simple example. So what to do? How to control our stress? See, stress is not a part of the body. It acts as the extra limb of the body. So we have to control it. We have to control mind, body, emotions, and energies. These all things. Now I will tell how to control in daily life. Simple things. Doing exercise, taking health, balancing diet, take enough sleep, doing meditation and breathing exercise. Take deep breath, hold it, and expel from the mouth. Tightness the muscle and relax. And simple one more. Choose a quiet spot, sit there and focus or concentration to clear your mind. See, my friends, this is important for everyone. Please be followed. If you like, subscribe and share my video. It will be helpful for the one who needs it at most. Thank you, my friends. Thank you so much.